Hey, and welcome to step 9 in the Covert Shirt Store theme wizard setup. And in this step, we're going to configure your sidebars. Now, if we have a look at the theme here, you see the sidebars out here to the right, and these are the ones we're going to configure now. The first thing here you see is the sidebar background color, which is this color here you see behind these images. So this light color here. And you can change that to whatever color you like, putting in the hex code or using the color selector wheel. The sidebar text color, I don't believe I actually have any text on this particular sidebar, but this would be the standard text if you're using, for example, a text widget or one of the other widgets on the sidebar. And you can set the font color of any text on the sidebar here, again with hex code or with the color selector. The widget title background color. Now the widget's titles are these ones here. So the background color is this color up here behind the text. And that color you set here. And then the widget title text color, which is this text here, that font color you set here. Again, either by choosing the hex code here or by using the color selector. Now on the home page, which is what we were looking at before, you can choose whether to show the sidebar to the right, to the left, or turn it off completely. Right now it's showing on the right. I could change it to left. If I select left there and then reload here, you will see the sidebar switching sides over here, or I could turn it off completely. Now I do like having it on the right, so I want to keep it there. And the same goes for the single posts. If we go, I changed the settings there. There we go, that's the single post. You can also choose to have this sidebar on the left instead of the right, or to turn it off completely in these settings here. And the same for your pages. Now in order to put actual widgets on your sidebar, this is all about how your sidebar looks and where you want to show it. In order to put widgets in there, you go to Appearance over here and you click on Widgets. And on the widgets page, you'll see your main sidebar here and your single post sidebar. And just like in any other WordPress theme, you just drag the widgets you want to use over here and you can take them away again. Now you will notice that the widgets I'm using here are the ones that are custom for the Covert Shirt Store theme. The most popular t-shirts widget, you can set a custom title for that. It is this widget here, which will show your most popular t-shirts going by click-through rate. And you can select how many shirts you want to show at any given time in that widget. The newest t-shirt is very similar. You can again set a custom title for it here, and it will show the latest additions to your site, the newest t-shirts, and you can again select how many to show. And again, these two widgets I've used again on a single post, and then there's the related t-shirts widget, which you will see up here, that will, like the related shirts thing in the post here, it will do kind of the same and show t-shirts that are related to the single post in question based on tags, categories, etc. And the same for this one, you can show how many you want to show. I chose 2 here, you can have as many as you like. And the rest of the widgets here are normal WordPress stuff, like you can put in your recent comments, recent posts, RSS feeds, tag cloud, and all that stuff, or the text widget, which you can do whatever text or HTML you want in there and drag those over to your sidebar. So that's how you add widgets to your sidebars, and this here on step 9 is where you configure how the sidebars should look and where they should show. And when you're happy with all that, you just click Save here, and then you can click on Next to go on to the 10th and final step in the initial theme wizard setup, and I will see you in the video on step 10.